Good morning, guys. Welcome to my breakfast ground. I have my tea and my lovely nut cake here. This is a nut cake. Me and my girlfriend, we prepared it. So if you want to know how we achieve this beautiful nut cake, which is healthy for us, come to the kitchen with me. See you on the other side, and don't forget to like, share and comment below.
Oh no, no, I swear to God, how can I prove it, prove it, prove it, prove it? 想开着你的黑色安弗雷，带你去桑塔洛尼卡，看日落海滩上，靠着我，围着世界去按下 Pose key， 让我轻松自寻你嘴角的边角里。I want to love you， 每当我听到这首MJ的歌，想对你说，想对你说。记得你问我，是不是 Flourless sex with me？ Oh no no, I swear to God, how can I prove it？ 每天早上不会为你准备早餐点心，喜欢你抱我，喜欢你穿我的袜底。Oh no no, I swear to God, how can I prove it？ Prove it, prove it, prove it。 想开着你的黑色安弗雷，带你去桑塔洛尼卡，看日落海滩上，靠着我，围着世界去按下 Pose key， 让我轻松自。
We spread water around the pot of the baking, so we're going to add a little bit of flour to as well, spread inside the pan so the cake doesn't get sticky. So we are adding 4 eggs into the sugar and the butter. So we are making nut cake. Caramel cake. This is what we are making, nut cake. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this to 3 mixture. We have butter, we have sugar, we have eggs. 4 eggs inside the mixture. So the oven is 180 up and down. You have to leave your oven to be heated when you are preparing your cakes ground. So we are mixing the butter. So go ahead and add the milk little by little. So we put little of the flour and the nuts inside the mixture. So we try to mix everything together gently. This is how the mixture is. If it is too thick, you can go ahead and add a little bit of milk. If not, just leave it this way. This is the texture. This is the texture. So now we'll go ahead and transfer it into the pan bit by bit. The final look of the mixture. Now I will go ahead and open up the oven and slide it in. We're going to leave it for 1 hour, then we'll come back and check it. So it's 30 minutes. coming back to check it. Ooh, look at that, looking so gorgeous. And guys, you know, it depends on the oven. You know what I'm saying? Like, this oven is new, so that is why maybe it's really fast to get ready. So whenever it's on like this, you have to always come and be checking it in case it. But as you can see, it's looking so beautiful.
I want to love you.每当我听到这首完美的歌，想对你说。
It smells so good, guys. I can't wait to yummy this to tell you guys how it tastes. If you try it out, just comment below how it tastes. How do you like it? So we'll go ahead to leave it to cool down before we bring it out.